Hi, I'm Beth Freschi, a relaxation and life coach here in the Twin Cities. My company is a Time for Expression LLC. I'm going to take you through a brief relaxation break. It'll probably only last a couple minutes. We're going to begin with a breathing technique that I call gradual breathing. So each breath is going to be bigger than the previous one. So let's begin with a shallow breath. Now breathe in a little more deeply. On your next inhale, fill your lungs. Next, fill your lungs and abdomen. On the last breath, imagine filling your whole body with air. Big breath in and out. Now stretch. Shake out your arms and legs. And now for the muscle relaxation, I'd like you to imagine that you have a healing ball of energy, and you can allow that healing ball of energy to move through your body and relax you and comfort you. So take a few moments to allow that healing ball of energy to travel all throughout your body. And continue to breathe. If you like, you can close your eyes so you can imagine it better. Let it comfort and relax you. Let it soothe any pain, loosen any muscles. In some places it might feel really warm. In other places it might feel pleasantly cool. Just allow that healing energy to flow through your body. Breathe in, breathe out. And now we'll do a quick guided imagery. I'd like you to close your eyes and imagine yourself doing something that you always wanted to do. Maybe it's a skill you've always wanted to have. Maybe it's a trip you want to go on. I'd like you to spend about 10 to 15 seconds imagining yourself doing that thing or going that place. Close your eyes and imagine it now. And while you're doing that thing or going to that place, feel a sense of ease and confidence. And allow that feeling to resonate deep within. See yourself in a way that you want to be. Imagine how you look, feel, and sound doing that thing you always wanted to do, traveling to that place you always wanted to travel. And feel that feeling within you, that feeling of satisfaction and confidence. Enjoy that feeling. You can think about it later whenever you wish. Now we're going to end with some loving kindness meditation phrases. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you accept yourself just as you are. May your body and mind be healthy and strong. May you be free from suffering. May you live in this world with ease. Now take this feeling of loving kindness and allow it to expand within you. You can call upon this feeling whenever you wish. Bask for a few moments in this loving kindness. May all beings love and protect each other. And now you can bring your awareness back to your surroundings, back to your place in this room. I want to thank you for taking these few minutes with me to relax and recharge. It's so important. And I hope this week you remember to breathe and stretch and do those things that you enjoy. Thank you.